So I made some tofu scrambled this morning. With the same recipe that I use to make vegan mac and cheese. But I've been using powdered garlic and powdered onion instead of shallots and cloves of garlic lately. I make a pre-made mix here that I add to elbow macaroni after I boil it, and instead I added it to my tofu this morning, extra firm tofu. But first, it's a little bit different order. I use tamari sauce and olive oil, about a tablespoon of tamari sauce and olive oil and apple cider vinegar. My bad. Yeah, a 1 to 1 to 1 tablespoon ratio, respectively, of, let's say, tamari sauce, olive oil, and then apple cider vinegar. Actually, it was tamari sauce, apple cider vinegar, and then olive oil. Yeah. And then I include about 2 tablespoons of my magic mix. Whereas when I make my vegan mac and cheese, I do a little bit in a different order usually. And I used to use cloves of garlic. I used to mince in my YouTube videos, but now I use powdered garlic and dehydrated onion, powdered onion powder. There's no Himalayan pink salt. No Himalayan pink salt in this magic mix that I got here. But I include the sodium from the tamari sauce. There's about 900 milligrams or more of sodium per serving, approximately. I think a serving size is a tablespoon or two. I'm not sure.